Meitei Tribe Union MMTU Youth Wing has slammed state legislatures for allegedly politicizing on states issue and also criticized the central government for not respecting the state government's decision of withdrawing from signing suspension of Operation SoO with two Kuki militant groups. Addressing a press meet held today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, convener of MMTU Youth Wing, Haubijam Surjit, decried the recent central government's decision of extending SoO with the Kuki armed groups, calling it an utter disregard and disrespect to the decision taken by the state government. While stating that the extension of the SoO agreement lacks transparency and accountability, the organization termed the central government's recent move as an open support to the Kuki armed groups who allegedly works on the agenda of breaking up Manipur. Surjit further maintained that there is no purpose for making effort to form a popular government when the MLAs are neglecting their responsibilities amidst a crucial juncture and cannot react to the central government's attitude of disrespecting them. The MMTU Youth Wing convener also said that the public should permanently boycott them, besides accusing them of overlooking the matter of relisting Meitei in the ST list of India.
Miamna both hadar khangiba mihusing asina lamdam asigi miam sigi tobom topo mathok tawdrabnina election tawgi su mathok tadre mihut leibagi su mathok tadre aduna lamdam asida leibiba miam singna mai bi magi lekai da kungangda ekoi hariba mihusing asi phajana matam khara leingai sida ekoi moi wari sabira kan sida ekoi bitei group sigi wena kadum da changchan sige hoji miam gi wena tabuk to bigi habra natragana isagi wena lanai wena to bigar ge habra wahang sigi na yararo hargati koi patana social boy to to kan dai koi vote to daba amadi election to daba akoi irom to na lengak sa ya na bagi tum haiti kaidoni moi lebi kana bale jagati le koi kari a thoi